or if you're in a difficulty or you want to start anything, जरा असल तर please tell me. Just I'm going to revise all the experiments are there regarding Kale software, how to use this, what are the programs are there, what are the logics are there. So discussing all these points from today's session. So if you want to anything apart from this, then tell me, unmute your mic, or by using chat box you have to give any suggestion regarding the practical session is there. I'm going to share the screen in 5 minutes. Just I want to open my manual is there. So I think this is the experiments are there. Already we have write down the experiment in your manual is there. So these are the experiments we have discussed. Experiment number 1, experiment number 2, experiment number 3, and experiment number 4. These are related to the 8085. So we're discussing first to the 8051 and then we'll go to the 8085. So 8085 two experiments are there. Experiment number 1 and experiment number 2 is there. We have to use not we have to use the kit, we have to use the directly the software for the 8051 8085 is there, simulator is there, and then we have to do the programs are there. So we are not going for first today we are go to the 8051 is there. So from experiment number 2 is there. So experiment number 3 is there. In experiment number 3, two 8-bit and 16-bit numbers addition using arithmetic operation of 8051. Okay, so you have to do the addition of 8-bit and 16-bit numbers of 8051. So for that purpose, what is the program? Write ALP means assembly language program to 8-bit and 16-bit numbers using arithmetic operation of 8051 is there, of 8051 microcontroller is there. So for that purpose, we have to use the PC and Kale software is there. We have to use the PC and Kale software is there. So how to use the Kale software we'll discuss and go to the program is there. This the Kale version 3 is there. So here project, new project, then go to the name of the project is there. Suppose I am giving AA is there, or sample 123 is giving the name of the project is there. Then save. Here we have to go to the atmel. In atmel we have to go to 89C51 is there. 89C51 is the microcontroller which we have to use for there. This is the specifications of the microcontroller is there. Okay. Then you have to not use a startup. No. So this is created a target for your project. Then file new is there. Okay. So this is the new file. So just go to the program is there. What is the program? Then go to the file is there. So here is the program is you have to take a 2 8-bit addition. You have to take 2 8-bit addition is there. So first, how to develop the logic? Just I want to discuss this point today because I think a lot of students know how to run the program is there, but a lot of students and how to write down the program is there. How can you understand or develop the logic for doing the program is there? So what is the thinking of that? So we will go to this. PC वरती आहे करणार असेल PC वर. Okay, so how to develop the programs are there. So first, just think what is the program is there. The program is addition of 2 8 bits. Addition of 2 8 bit is the program. Addition of 2 8 bit is the program is there. So just think what is the program is there. So it is the program. So what is the requirement for the program? So first requirement is we require the 2 numbers are there. What is the requirement? First is required a 2 numbers. Think like this. If you require a 2 numbers is there, then you have to add these 2 numbers. So when you add this number, you have to store this addition in different variable is there. So here not variable, here we are working with the 8051. So we require the 2 register to store the 2 8 bit numbers, and 1 register is required to store the result of these 2 numbers. So first you have to think about like this. So then write down the algorithm. Algorithm is what? First you have to give the 2 registers. So take the values of on accumulator and register. Okay. So what is the meaning of that? What is thinking is that 2 numbers, so we have to take the 2 numbers. So restriction of 8051 is that we have to do the addition of 8051 with the accumulator. That's why we have to take the 1 register is accumulator and second register is another register is R0 to R7 is there. So remember that it is a limitation of 8051. If you are working with the C programming and you have to say that to add the 2 numbers are there, then we have to go to the two variables are there, A and B, and where another variable is C, where you have to add these two. Here we have to use the accumulator and register is there. Here we have to use the accumulator and register. Accumulator is the value where we have to store the result is there. So 1 register is accumulator, another register is R0. You know that by default bank 0 is selected. By default bank 0 is selected. You know that in your PSW program status word, there are 2 variables are there, ps2.3 and psw.3 and psw.4, where we have to give the 0 0. So bank 0 is select, and in bank 0 we have to select the R0 register is there. By default there is bank 0 is select. If you want to select the bank 1 bank 2, then you have to change the program status word is there. So here restriction of 8051 is that we have to use the accumulator is you have to store the variable is there, then you have to register R0 is another value is there. Okay, so take one number into A, take second number into the R0 is there. Okay, so 2 numbers you have to take, then another you have to make the additions. To perform the addition is there, so perform the addition, then what we have to go to the 8051, go to the instructions are there, what are the instruction for the addition is there. So remember the instruction and then go to the perform addition is there. Okay, then after the addition you know that the result is stored into the accumulator. The result is stored into the accumulator is there. Result is stored into the accumulator is there. So this is the result stored into the accumulator, and then end the program is there. Okay, so this is the uh, algorithm of this one. So how to write the program? Okay, directly we go to the write the program is there, then you can understand that. Okay, so first what we have to do, take the number is there. So what is the instruction for that? Move. What is the instruction is move. You know that what is the move instruction is there. Move where you have to store. I am writing first number into the accumulator. So A into comma hash 05H. So what is the meaning of that hash 05H is there? So here we have to hash 05H means what? Hash 0.h means what? It is immediate addressing mode. This is the immediate addressing mode is there, and in that immediate addressing mode we have to add or 5 you have to take into the accumulator. It is the 05 is the number you have to take into the accumulator is there. Okay, so this is the first number we have to take. This is the immediate addressing mode is there. Another is number is move. Here I am writing R0 is the register, and in that register you have to another number. Suppose I am writing 03H is there. Again I am writing the what writing? I am writing the address which is the immediate addressing mode. So you transfer the 03 into the R0. 03 into, so first 2 steps are completed. Then we have to make the addition of these 2 numbers. You have to make the addition of these 2 numbers. So add A comma R0. Add A comma R0 is there. What is the meaning of the value present in accumulator and value is present in R0. These two values are add, and this value addition is stored into the accumulator is there. Okay, so these are 3 steps. See here. Okay, first you have to take the number, then you have to take the another number. Here we have to use the add C. What is the meaning of add and add C is there? Add C means you have to add the number with carries there. We have to add the number with carries there. Here we have to add the number with carry, or you can directly only add is there. So meaning are the same. These are the two instructions are there present in your 8051 is there. Add and add C is there. Add C means you have to the carry flag is created. In that carry flag, if there is a carry is there, you have to add this carry with A and R1 is there. So what is the meaning of, suppose I am writing add C, what is the meaning of this one? Add C is there. Is the meaning ka hai? You have to add the value present in A plus value present in R1 plus value present in carry flag. So meaning of this add C is there. If I'm writing only add is there, then you have to add value present in accumulator, present in R1 is there. You have to present in accumulator and present in R1 is there. So this is the addition is there. A plus R1 is there. Okay, A plus R1 is there. Okay, understand, accumulator plus R1 is there. So add A comma R1 is there. So this is the addition of accumulator and R1 is there. Okay. So let's go to the program is there. So this is the add A comma, and then you have to write down the end. So this is the program of the addition of two numbers is there. Okay. Then what is the next is there? What is the next is there? We have to compile the program is there. Move R0. Hello. हाँ. So this is the MOV is there. 03 into R0 is there. Here is a file. Then save. Give the name of the file is suppose AA or add.asm. Add.asm is there. Okay, all files save. Okay, add.asm. Then we have to add this file here. So right click, add files in group 1. Here is .asm file. I am giving the name is add.asm, add clothes. Okay, so this is the add.asm you have to add here is there. Then you have to go to the build the program. Here is the build the target is there. See, here is the data is 0, code is 5, error 0 and warning are 0. Okay, if I'm not writing here end is there, if I'm not writing end is there, then I have to save this program and build the program. So it gives the warning is there, missing end statement. It gives the warning is there, missing end statement is there. If you are not writing the end statement, the program will be run, but warning is as it is there. The warning is as it is there. So you have to write down the end is there. We have to write down the end the program, save, then okay, the program will be executed with the end operation is there. Okay, then you have to go to the save, then project, sorry, debug means start and stop, debug is there. ठीक आहे, इथं तुम्हाला सगळं जे काय आपलं एड्स Keil software, this is the working of the Keil software is there. So this is the registers are there, R0 to R7. It is a bank 1 to bank 4, bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3 are the 4 banks are there, and each bank contains these registers are there, R0 to R7. This contain the registers are there, R0 to R7 is there. So these are the registers are R0 to R7. Here is the system value A, B. This is a stack pointer. This is the data pointer. This is the program status word. Program status word. This is the parity flag, overflow flag. Then auxiliary carry flags are there. Here is the carry is a 0 is there. So this is a value. So at the time of the first practical session, I am telling that the stack pointer is having a reset value 07. Please remember this for your online examination purposes there. Stack pointer is having a reset value 07. Stack pointer is having a reset value is 07 is there. All other stack values are 00. All other stack values are 000. Only a stack pointer is having a value is the 07 is there. Okay, please remember these things. for your online examination. So this is a program is there. If I'm going to run the program, then you will get the answer is 5 plus 3 is 8. This accumulator is contain a value of 0, it is there. Just see, debug and run the program. See, the value of a will be 0.8. Value of a will be 0.8 is there. Okay, so this is the value of a is there. So this is a run the program is there. If I want to go to the step by step, then you have to again come out of this program. Okay, then again go to the project, debug, then start any stop session. Okay, okay. So this step by step execution is there. See, a is contain a 0 first there. If for the step by step execution, here is a debug. Debug means F11 is a step by step. See, the step by step is the F11. This is the shortcut key for the step by step, and for the run, F5 is there. So see, F11 is there. See, this accumulator is contain. Accumulator is contain a 0.5. This is the first step. Your transfer is 0.5 into the accumulator. Second step, R0 is contain a 0.3 is there. R0 is contain a 0.3 is there. Then you have to add A and R0. You have to add an A0. You will get the answer is the 8 is there. You will get answer is 8. A is equal to 0.8 is there. A is equal to 0.8 is there. So you will get answer is there, and you have to come out of the program. So this is a how to run the program and how to debug the program. Again, one thing is there. Here are the peripherals are there. We are discussing the input ports are there. Port 0, port 1, port 2 there. Then here is the timers. We can see timer 0, timer, serial ports. These for the SCON and SBuffer registers are there. For that purpose, this is not in syllabus. This SCON is there. Means serial communications. We have to use this. Then these are the timers are there. Input output ports are there. We are discuss the programs related to the input ports in previous practicals are there. Then another is the view. Here is the memory windows are there. We are discussing the memory windows for your program for which program for the transfer of the block transfer is there. We are discussing let's take the block transfer. So this is a how to run the program and how to debug the program is there. So this is the steps is there. So we will discuss the next program is there. This is another logic is there. This is the addition of 16-bit numbers. Addition of 16-bit numbers are there. The same program is there. See. समझते हो काय केले समजते का म्हणलं काय केलं इथे असतो मगर this is the 16-bit addition program is there. 16-bit addition program is there. So what they are doing the program is there. बघा काय केलंय त्यांनी ते. This is the program 3256. Another program is 1234. Okay. First they have to add 56 with 34. We have to add 56 with 34 is there. So this is the 56 add with 34 is there. Means lower nibble or you can say a lower byte you have to add is there. After that they have to add the upper byte or upper nibble is there. If 32 and 12 is there. So see here 32 and 12 they have to add the upper nibble is there. We have to add the upper nibble are there 12 and 32. Upper nibble are 12 and 32 as that. So this is the program they have to done in the practical session. See what is the step by step execution is there. First step, this algorithm you can say टेक अ 16-bit numbers. पहिल्यांदा काय घेतले, दोन नंबर 16-bit घेतले. देन टेक the lower order 8-bit of first number into the accumulator. You have to take the first lower bit into the accumulator is there. Second subtraction. Then addition the content of the accumulator with the lower order content of the second number is there. Okay. Then store the result into the R2 is there. Next is take the next higher order contents from the first register pair into the accumulator is there. Take the higher order contents of first register pair into the accumulator is there. Okay. Then again not subtract, you have to add the accumulator, the contents with the higher order contents of the second one. Move the result into the R3 is there. Okay. So this is the algorithm is there. So you have to convert this algorithm into the program is there. Okay. So two numbers are there. Take first number into the accumulator. Okay. So what we are doing, first number into the accumulator means lower order. Here I am taking the two numbers are there. Suppose I am taking two numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another number is 3, 2, 5, 6. 3, 2, 5, 6. Okay. So what is the first step is there? You have to take the lower order 8 bit into the first into the accumulator. Okay. आपण स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोग्राम लिहू, मैं तुम्हाला कळेल कसं. ठीक आहे, आपण इथेच प्रोग्राम लिहू, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळेल, मतलब प्रोग्राम हा प्रोग्राम समजेल. आपण दोन नंबर घेतलेत 1 2 3 4 अँड 3 2 5 6. ठीक आहे, हे दोन नंबर आहेत. सो दीज आर टू नंबर. Take the lower order 8 bit of first number into the accumulator. So I am writing here instruction for that step is there. So what we have to take number, move first number into the accumulator lower order a comma. Suppose first number is, our first number is 34. Suppose our first number is 34. So hash 34 is there. Okay. First number is hash 34 is there. Okay. Then add the contents of accumulator with lower order contents of the second number. So I'm writing directly, what is I'm writing the steps for that. Add, you know, the add instruction is there. Add accumulator with lower order of the second register. So I'm writing hash, what is the hash? 56 is there. Hash 56 is there. Understood? So accumulator value and you have to add 56 is the another number is there. You have to add these two. A comma hash 56 is there. Okay. Then you have to store the result into the R2. Store the result into the R2 means what? The addition which is stored into the accumulator, we have to transfer to the R2 is there. So I'm writing move A, sorry, R2 comma A is there. Okay. So what is the first step? Take the last digits, lower nibble, lower byte of the first number and lower byte or lower nibble of the second number. You have to add this two lower nibble or two byte. You have to add this into the accumulator is there. Then the result is stored into the accumulator is transferred to the R2. Result is stored into the accumulator is transferred to the R2 is there. Okay. Then next, take the higher order contents of the first register pair into the accumulator. So you have to take the 12 into the accumulator is there. So what is the instruction is there? So you have to write move A comma hash 12h. A comma hash 12h is there. A comma hash 12h is there. So this is the second number is there. Second higher order. Then add the accumulator with the higher order contents of the second number. So you have to add this. How to add this? Add A comma. You have to add A comma hash 32h. Add A comma hash 32h. So you have to add this number. Okay, add a comma. So this is the con. Then move the result into the RT. But here I am not writing add. We have to add the ADCs there. Why you have to add the ADCs there? Suppose if you have to add 34 and 56, these are the lower bytes are there. If you add these two, and if carry generated due to this addition, if carry generated, then carry flag will be 1 is there. After this addition, if carry flag is generated, then you have to carry will be 1 is there. So due to that carry will be 1, you have to add this carry with these two numbers, means 12 and 32, and plus carry which is generated by the lower nibble is there, or sorry, lower byte is there. So we have to carry generated by this lower byte, then you have to add this carry and these two numbers with the accumulator there. So for that purpose you have to use the ADCs there. That's why I'm giving the ADCs there, because it is possibility to generate a carry due to the addition of lower byte is there. So it is ADC a comma hash 32 is there. So this is the number is there. Then you have to transfer this number into the R3 is there. So move R3, sorry, a R3 comma A is there. So addition of this accumulated transfer to the R3 is there. So lower byte addition is transferred into the R2 is there, and higher byte addition is transferred to the R3 is there. The same program they are written here. This is the first two lines for the lower byte is there. Then add this into the accumulator, transfer to the R2 is there. Then higher byte 32 and 54, but here we have to use the ADCs there because for the carry generated and then transfer to the R4 is there. So this is the program is there. So discuss the program in practically run or not is there. So I'm copy this. Zero. So this is the program is there. Save the program, build the program. So there is program size, no errors are there. Then I'm going to debug and start and stop debug. Okay, so F11 is first 56 is transferred to the accumulator. So 56 contain accumulators there. You have to, here they are using the add R1 is there. I'm not using this. Okay. Then 34 is transferred to the R1 is there. So they are transfer 34 to the R1 is there. So here you have transfer 34 to the R1. Add a comma R1. So 56 for 34 you have to add this. You will get some value which is transferred to the accumulator. Accumulator is contain 8A is there. This 8A is transferred to the R2. So you will get R2 is 8A. So here is the first lower byte addition is there. So first lower byte addition is there. The value is 8A is there. First lower byte addition is there. Value is 8A is there. Then another we have to use for the 34 into A. So you have to take accumulator is contain a 32 is there. So accumulator is 32. Then this 12 into the R3 is there. R3 is contain 12 is there. So add these 32 and 12. You will get the answer into the accumulator is there. So accumulator get answer is 44. Your accumulator is get answer is the 44 is there. Then this 44 you have to transfer to the R4 is there. So R4 is a 34 is there. So value of R3 is 12 is lower byte nibble and value of R4 is 44. So your answer is 4412 is there. Your answer is 4412 is there. Addition of these two numbers are there. So you have to stop this. Okay. No carry flag is generated. Carry flag is not generated. Suppose we have to generate the carry flag. What we have to do? Just have to check carry flag generator or not. See here parity flags are generated. See if you see this step by step execution is there. See, just I want to show that here is a auxiliary carry flag generated. Here is the auxiliary carry flag generated. Due to that, lower nibble will be give the carry flag. That's why 0 is given. After this addition, lower nibble generate a carry. That's why I'm writing auxiliary carry is there. So due to that, I'm writing the add C A comma R3 is there. So here is also parity flag is generated. Parity flag means what? Your result of the accumulator is 32, and if this result addition of result of before means 0 is contain a even number of ones. That's why parity flag also a 1 is there. So to add this 12, you will get answer is 44 is there. So auxiliary carry will be add. There is no generation of the carry is there. So F11. So this is the program and how to run the program is there. So you have the same program for the subtraction is you have to only change the SUBB is there. Subtract the R2 with the accumulator. Same program is there. This exponent for the arithmetic multiplication is there. Same multiplication program. You have to write MUL A comma B is there. MUL A comma B is there. Only difference is that in multiplication we have to A and B is only used. We are not used A and B. See, this is the program is their multiplication. If I'm writing here R0 is a number and I'm writing A into R0. Okay, save. Then here is missing statement of here is which create a problem rule number 6. So here we are not using the R0 is there. We have to use only the B is there. For the multiplication and division purpose, we have to use the B is there. We have to use B is there. Save. You will get the higher byte stored into the B and lower byte means addition of that. You have to higher bit is stored into the B is there and lower is stored into the A is there. So this is the program for the multiplication is there. Same program multiply the values of A and B is there. Okay. So higher bit value stored into the here is C. The result is there. B into 0, 3. Result is the 0 F is there. So result is the 0 F is there. 5 into 3 if you multiply you will get answer is the 0 F is there. So this is the multiple. Remember that for the multiplication division we have to use the only two registers A and B. Only two registers are the A and B is there. Okay. This is for the division same. You have to change only the value of the div is there. And these the logic operations are there. ANL we have discussed, I think, or I'll take this. See what is the logical means. Here we have to take the accumulator is 0, 1. Then R1 is contain a 12 is there. R1 is contain is 12. You have to logical and is there. Logical and means what? The truth table of law and gate is if it is the value of 1 1. If value of 1 1 you will get answer is 1 is there. If any value of the OR gate OR gate is 1, you will get answer is 1, but any value, two values are 0, your answer is 0. So here 1 1 answer is 1 is there, 0 0 0. Here only a 1 0 is there, so you will get answer is the 1 is there. So you will get 0 1 and 2 1, you will get answer is the 2 1 is there. So your answer is the 2 1 is there. So remember that this is a logical OR gate is there. Just copy this, same run program. Okay, save this program, debug, warning as same. So if you run the program, you will get value of R2 is the 21 is there. Okay. If I'm going directly run the program, here R2 will get a value of 21 is there. So run the program. So you will get R2 is the 21 is there. By adding, you will for by ORing, you will get the value of the 21 is there. Okay. इथं काय स्टुडंट सेट करून बघा प्रोग्राम्स, रन करून बघा प्रोग्राम. बाकी प्रोग्राम नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला घेतो मी. This logical and then logical or is there. So some students are present here. They are doing the practicals for the KL software is there. If you have any difficulty, ask me. Or if you have PC at your home, then download the KL software and run the program is there. Login ID. Correct. कोणास त्रास आहे? लॉगिन आयडी कशाला पाहिजे? नेट कसं लागतं? केलं ऑलरेडी आपण त्या दिवशी केलेलं. इझी करत नाही. रोज नाही. Those are at home. If you have any difficulty, ask me. Within 5 or 10 minutes, they are doing the practicals are there. And we'll go to the next point is there. So if you have any difficulty regarding this, send me on chat box or ask me of anything regarding the practical session is there. Anybody tell me those are at home, how to take the inputs from the memory locations for the addition of the program is there? Do you remember the program? Anybody remember the program is there? How to take the inputs from the HTML वगैरह आलं म्हणजे प्रोजेक्ट क्लोज करा, प्रोजेक्ट फाइल क्लोज करा, फाइल में जाके ना क्लोज करा, प्रोजेक्ट में नाव नाही त्याचं काय नाही, नाव काय आहे, नाव काय नाही. Just I'm writing the program of how to take the inputs from the keyboard is there. Add a comma b. A comma का है values r0 r0 end. नहीं आधी end क्या रखी, end program करा, सेव करा फाइल. I'm going to run the program for all this. Please see this. What I am doing is there. XRL, CPL is there. Debug, start and debug is there. Okay. F11, A01, base R1 is 21. XRL, you will get answer is 20 in A is there. Then CPL is there. DF is there. Complement the accumulator is there. काय आलं Hello. Any difficulty regarding this? Just go to the next program. Is there? Block transfer we are discussing. Hmm? Kale Kale.